This is a quick review for this gold leaf framed mirror. It's got an ornate looking frame around it. This is going to go in our small bathroom or half bathroom. I just wanted to show it up close so you can get a good look at what the gold leaf actually looks like around the edge. This one is the Kate and Laurel brand. This is a pretty well-known brand. They sell all different kinds of mirrors, different sizes and the like. It's gold leaf, and I would say it's like a bright gold. And intentionally, it does look like it has some wear on it. That's by design, so it's supposed to look like a vintage mirror. It just has some nice curves around the sides. You can kind of see them here. As far as size, it's supposed to be 24 by 36. If I go along this shorter distance, it indeed is 24 inches. If I measure the distance across the two longer sides, it indeed is 36 inches. Here's a look at the backside of this mirror. It's got mounting options for both vertical and horizontal, so you can kind of see that if you were going to have this vertical, you would use these two, and then they just hook right into these spots here, and then the same thing goes. I actually have it upside down, so it would be the other way, and you'd hang it using these two hooks if you wanted to have it horizontal. So overall, just a nice quality mirror. This is the Kate and Laurel brand. They make a bunch of different products, different styles of mirrors and the like. If this one isn't the one you're looking for, the brand does have a ton of options you could choose from. But overall, this has just kind of a general nice vintage look to it. It's pretty.